What about greatest war film? What would it be for you?
Greatest war film, if I'm feeling serious, it would be a Russian film called Come and See, which is probably the most intense film ever made. And if I'm feeling slightly less serious, Apocalypse Now, and I would always want to watch the original cut. I don't prefer the re-edits. I like the original first release. I think it's tighter and slicker and works the best.
Yeah, of course, Apocalypse Now is this hallucinatory journey into darkness, I think, madness.
Yeah, but from the first scene onwards, it's just got these amazing set piece after set piece and, again, incredible characters, brilliant dialogue.
Some of the greatest films about war reveal that war is not what it seems. And there's different ways of doing that. And you've talked about different books. The Thin Red Line is another book and movie that shows that.
Yeah, and I watched the movie years before I read the book, and I didn't understand the movie. And then I read the book, and I read a lot about the editing of the movie, and I understood why I didn't understand the movie, and that's because the movie makes no sense. It is beautifully shot, and the music is one of the best film scores of all time. But they edited two different battle scenes into one battle in a way that they're spread apart by ages in the book to assemble. I think they filmed the book pretty much verbatim. That would have been like a 6-hour movie, then edited this impressionistic thing that's incredibly beautiful, but doesn't necessarily make narrative sense at the end of it. But it's still very beautiful, the film.